Good morning, children. Today we start new lesson. So before starting the new lesson, let's start our day with a good thought. Positive thinking must be followed by positive actions. Children, your positive attitude is the key to success in life. Use only positive words while thinking and while talking. Refuse to think such thoughts by substituting them with constructive, happy thoughts. Every time a negative thought finds its way into your mind, immediately replace it with a positive thought. So, our today's topic is lesson number 11, measurement. Okay. So, in this lesson, we see measurement of length, measurement of mass, and measurement of capacity or volume. So here measurement of length. See, footstep is given, hand span, then arm length. Okay. So scale is given, tape is given. Children, we use these instruments to measure the length. So meter is the standard unit used to measure length. METRE, meter. Meter is the standard unit used to measure length. Now here 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called as millimeter. Children, 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts and one part out of that 10 parts is called as millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. These are the conversions and you have to learn it. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Centimeter is written as cm in short. We write down meter as m in short and centimeter as cm in short. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Meter is written as m in short. We write down meter as m, centimeter as cm and millimeter at m as mm. Here see. Say this one, children, look at your scale. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In between 0 to 1 there are 10 lines. So each line is millimeter. 1 to 2, this is 1 centimeter distance and 10 lines are there. Each line is millimeter. See, measuring length in centimeter. Here eraser is given, that is 3 centimeter. Here marker pen is given, that is 6 centimeter. Here paint brush is given, that from this 0 to 14, that is 14 centimeter. Here sketch pen is given 1 to 11, that is 11 centimeter. Here color box is given, that is 16 centimeter. Likewise, you can measure the length and always remember 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Introducing kilometer. Children, meter, centimeter, we use these units for small measurement. But when you covered some distance or when you travel from one place to another place, we measure that distance in kilometer. So kilo means 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Kilometer is written as km. In short, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter. 10 kilometer is equal to 10,000 meter. Likewise, you can convert kilometer into meter. Let's see the exercise. Refer page number 63 of maths textbook. Exercise. The timetable below lists the places between Wardha and Nagpur and their distances in kilometers. Study it and answer the following questions. Children, see. Here distances of some cities or places are given from Wardha. Wardha 0 means from Wardha, Varud is 7 kilometer, Selu road is 14 kilometer, Tuzapur is 24 kilometer, Sindhi 32, Gumgaon 60 kilometer, Ajni 76 and Nagpur 79 kilometer. So you look at the question and write down the answer. From which place have the distance of all the other places been measured? From which place means कौन सी place से सब places के distance measured किए हैं? Here Wardha is at 0, so we measure the distance of all the other places had been measured from Wardha. Now second, how far is Tulzapur from Wardha? Look at table. Wardha 0, Tulzapur 24. So Tulzapur is 24 km from Wardha. Then question number 3. What is the distance between Sindhi and Nagpur? Okay. So see, from Wardha, Nagpur is 79 km and Sindhi is 32 km. So when you subtract, you will get the distance between Sindhi and Nagpur. So 79 minus 32 is equal to 47 km. What is the distance between Selu Road and Ajni? Distance between Selu Road and Ajni. Distance from Wardha to Selu Road is 76 km and distance from Wardha to Ajni is 14 km. When you subtract, you will get distance between Selu and Ajni. So children, measurement of length, always remember meter is the basic unit of measurement of length. Meter, centimeter, millimeter and kilometer. Okay, you have to learn the conversion. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, learn these conversions and write down this exercise in your maths copy. Thank you.